Omondi. And again Omondi, it's a block. And trying out something, and a goal here finally from the Harambee Stars of Kenya. And guess what? Kenya's usual suspect, Ryan Ogam. Kenya singing a sweet melody at the Moi International Sports Complex in Kasarani. Oh, the stadium's magic unfolds finally as Kenya take the lead. Their third goal of the tournament, and this is a moment for Kenya to cherish. That noise coming in from Kasarani. It was Austin Odhiambo against Democratic Republic of Congo. Odhiambo again against the Parancas Negras. And this time against the two-time champions. It is Ryan Ogam. He plays for Tusker Football Club in the Football Kenya Premier League. Lovely control. Took it far from the right hands of the goalkeeper. Bottom corner was the target finally for Ryan Ogam, as Ryan Ogam scores his first goal in the African Nations Championship.
Very good. Congratulations. You are doing a wonderful job. Pongezi sana. Very good. This is the whole team. Habari yako boss. Thank you very much. Young man, how are you? Very good. Asante sana. Very good. Asante sana. Hello, how are you? Very good. Warefu kweli. Hello, how are you? Very good. Habari yako boss? Very good. Hello, how are you? Very good. Jambo. Very good. Habari yako? Mambo ni aje? Hello, how are you, boss? Very good. Habari yako? Good man. Thank you very much for doing the big job. Yeah. Thank you for the motivation and the inspiration you've given to our young people. Captain. I can see you are doing your part of the bargain. Na mimi si tulikubaliana ni mcheze kama nyinyi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Uko salama?
Niko salama. Lakini sijakaa sawa. Nyumba bado.
Okay. Yes. Hello, how are you? Very good. Very good. Hello, how are you, my friend? Very good. Habari? You guys are the best. How are you, boss? Mambo ni aje? Habari yako? Hello. Wewe mtu wangu. Ile maneno mimi napanga. Usijali. Sawa sawa. I'm sure. Habari yako mkubwa? Very good. Habari yako boss? Very good. Hello, how are you? Salama kabisa. Salama mungwana. Leo mko off nasikia. Hello, how are you, my friend? Very good. Bariga habari. Uko salama? Kabisa. How are you? Watu wangu. President. Very good.
When I asked Ababu Namwamba, then Minister for Sports, to go and bid for CHAN, many people did not believe that Kenya could be given a chance to host. Why? Because we tried in 1996, we did not succeed. We tried again in 2018, we did not succeed. But I believed that it is doable. There are people who don't believe it is doable. There are people who believe we can. Let me tell you, we can as Kenya. We've not only hosted CHAN today, a historic achievement for our nation, but our boys are making us very proud. You guys are making our nation very proud. We believe in you. And we know that ahead of us, we have success. As I have told you, people are cheering you from every corner of our country. And because if we believe in ourselves and we do not allow negativity to find its way into our space, and if we do not allow division and hate and ethnicity to get into our equation, Kenya will be the great country we always wanted it to be. We play in the League of Champions, my friends. Yeah? So, I want to encourage you that as we stand behind you, the people of Kenya stand behind you, the government of Kenya is standing behind you, and we are praying God to hold you so that this time round we can win these CHAN games.